Instructions. 1. Cook the oats. In a small pot, combine the oats with the milk, or plant-based milk, over medium heat. 1. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 5-7 minutes until the oats are soft and creamy. 2. Topping. Once the oats are ready, transfer them to a bowl. 2. Add the banana slices, berries, chopped nuts, and chia seeds, if desired. 3. Sweeten. If you'd like extra sweetness, drizzle 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup on top of the oats. 4. Serve. Enjoy your warm oats with fruits and nuts. 4. You can pair it with a cup of green tea or warm lemon water to boost digestion. Benefits. Oats are rich in fiber, which helps keep you full and supports digestion. Fruits are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C and antioxidants. Nuts provide healthy proteins and fats that promote heart health. Chia seeds or flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. This meal provides you with healthy energy to kickstart your day while promoting digestive health and keeping you full longer.